Just when you think there's no more Mielle organics to try, there is. This week, I'm trying 2 of their styling aids from the Pomegranate and Honey collection. It's meant for type 4 curls, but I'm trying it anyway. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello my curlies! Erica here from Coils and Curls. Welcome back to another Frizz-Free Friday. As you can see, I am wearing glasses. These are my first time ever new pair of progressives. I know, a lot of you have probably been wearing them a hell of a lot longer than I have, but it's my first pair. I got the anti-glare so that we wouldn't be able to see the ring light reflection, but that is not what's happening. I can see that reflection. Mielle Organics has a collection called Pomegranate and Honey. The 2 products that I decided to try in their Pomegranate and Honey collection is the Curl Defining Mousse and the Curl Refreshing Spray. These are the lightest of the collection, which does contain a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and 3 other styling aids that are a gel, a custard, and a cream. These are meant for coily, kinky, corkscrew curls that really need lots of moisture to keep them contained and controlled. I do not have any of those, but I really wanted to be informed on the entire line, especially because I'm an affiliate for them. So I did purchase these products. In fact, all of the Mielle Organic products that I've tried for you, I have paid for on my own. Apparently, I need to be more upfront so that people understand I do get paid when you purchase products with my link, but it doesn't cost you an extra dime, not even a penny. So anytime you purchase from any of my links, I appreciate it so I can create more content. I already put in the anti-shedding scalp and hair oil. I have been using this faithfully every day. Each collection is meant for a slightly different curl type. Sometimes there are several products in the line itself, in that collection, that can be used for different curl types, but there's a lot. So this is why I kind of wanted to just get a little feel of what some of the stuff does in every single collection. The bottom line of the Pomegranate and Honey collection is hydration, moisture, and control for type 4 curls. We're going to start, of course, with the Curl Defining Mousse. The Curl Defining Mousse is infused with quite a few of the essential oils. Now, they do use aloe in this, so if your hair flash dries with aloe, know that this could be happening with you. I haven't tried it yet. We're trying this all together. So it has aloe, it has apple, honey, of course. It also contains jojoba, pomegranate, and shea butter. All of these add moisture and hydration to type 4 hair. Type 4 hair usually has a very tightly closed cuticle, so it doesn't really absorb anything. It kind of repels it. And that's why type 4 needs something that is very rich in oils. A few of the key benefits is that, number 1, it is a perfect hold for type 4 coily curls. It moisturizes and hydrates, as well as being non-sticky. We will find this out when I start to use it. They say to divide your hair into sections. Because my hair is so thin, I will divide it into 4 sections. We're going to apply the Curl Defining Mousse. They say a generous amount. I'm assuming this needs to be primed. You know what they say about assuming. Ooh, look at that. All right, so the first one was a half of a pump, so I'm going to use 1.5 pumps. Once I emulsify it in my hands, it definitely turns more creamy than foamy. And it smells delicious, because what's not to love about pomegranate and honey? So I'll rake it through, as they say, from roots to ends. Roots Roots are below the scalp. They're not visible, says Mrs. Rank, my old cosmetology teacher. So I'll rake that through. It feels coated, especially since I have very little hair on this side. And so I should probably not rake as much as I am. Do we do one pump? Because that still looks kind of small. Okay, I'm doing two. Raking it through, making sure we get that front section, because we know the front section will tend to frizz a little bit more, at least on me. And we always want to apply enough for our hair. And I'm going to do 3 pumps for the quarter on the back. You always want to make sure that you are getting it close to the scalp, not on the scalp. Three pumps. Now we need to flip and rake it through upside down so I can get some volume and lift. Now I can feel my hair starting to dry a little bit, but I want to incorporate that curl refreshing spray into today's video. And the reason being is because this is a very light feeling, oily spray. This formula incorporates into all of the other oils. They also include linseed oil, coconut oil, acai, and silk amino acids. Will help to repair damage. It is a form of protein. This I noticed at the bottom of the ingredients list, so it doesn't have a lot in it, but just be aware it does have some. The spray is supposed to add shine, hydration, and definition. This is supposed to provide the light hold that you need, plus the anti-frizz properties that we want. I did use their anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner before I came down to do today's video for you, just so that you know what's in the hair. As far as this being part of their deeply conditioning and hydrating pomegranate and honey collection, they say that you can use the curl refreshing spray along with any of their other styling aids to give you the type of definition that you want. This is why I'm going to incorporate it into my video today for you, and we'll see if it adds some extra shine. I'll probably do this on this side. Ooh, it's really drying because of that aloe. I'll use the curl refreshing spray on my heavier side now because I have flipped my part, and we'll see if we notice a difference on this side compared to this side. I'll probably use it in the back because we never notice a difference in the back, at least I don't. A few key benefits of the spray is that it revitalizes and rehydrates your hair, it reduces frizz, and it creates soft, flexible hold. They say to spray it on your hair from 7 to 10 inches away and then massage it into curls. I would rather gently hold and not massage, but allow my hands heat to allow it to penetrate back into the hair. That's what I'm going to do. One of the little taglines at the end of their description is, when you spray this 7 to 10 inches away from your hair and you massage it into your curls, you can watch your curls spring to life. Let's see. Now, of course, I can't see whether I'm spraying it on the hair or on the floor. I guess I'll find out if I slip. Now, it does seem to be adding a little bit of moisture in, which is good because my hair was getting very dry. Am I adding too much? We'll see. But I do smell good, I will say that. I don't know, I think I see the curls being a little more springy. Can't be, right? So, we see what this side looks like. And we see what this side looks like. Without my glasses, I think these are a little more springy, so we'll see. All right, my curlies, I am going to start the blow dry. And if I notice anything, I will come back and check in with you. Otherwise, I'll see you when I'm dry. I'm fully dry. I did have to do a little work on this section right here. I refreshed my scotch. One thing I noticed is this side seems to be a little more frizzy, whereas the other areas where I used that curl refreshing spray seems to have more shine and more control. One thing I noticed is that it's a soft hold, not a hard hold where you have to seriously de-crunchify because it's rock hard. This has a very soft cast to it, but I am going to use the Curl Refreshing Spray to de-crunchify. The question is, how many sprays? I don't know. And because it's not really crunchy, not much needs to be done. So I don't think I'm going to spray it on the hair. I think I may spray it on my hands. Although maybe this side could use a spray. Let's see. We'll find out together. Now, massage it in for me is going to be to gently cradle and allow the heat of my hand to push it into the hair. It definitely has more frizz than this side. They did say watch your curls spring to life. I feel like they sprung a little. I don't know. I'll find out when I edit the video. All right, I see frizz. Let me get a little closer so that you can see. Right? There's frizz here, but I don't see much frizz over here, which means that the Curl Refreshing Spray did its job. Now, to decrunchify, ooh, I sprayed it over my scotch. Ooh, it'll taste good. Can you see how it's oily? It's not sticky. It really feels like a very thin oil. I'm going to flip and decrunchify and fluff, and when we come back, we'll take a look. This is what I looked like when I came back up. I didn't touch it. I wanted to let it settle on its own. I have some very cute curls right here though. Those are adorable. It does feel a little sticky now that it's dried. I want to say maybe 10 squirts into my hands. Is it a lot of volume? No. Because this is meant for type 4 curls, yes, it's probably too heavy for me, and I didn't even use a leave-in conditioner. But it did give my curls really nice definition. Let's take a look. I'm definitely flat over here, and that could have just been from me not giving enough attention to this side to give it a little more volume as I was drying. That's on me. That is because of the way I blow dried. And I can feel it and see it. Although, again, remembering that I'm using something with a lot of moisture, a lot of oils that are moisturizing for type 4 hair. I really feel like I need to fluff this. Let's see. Can I do something? Can I do anything with it? Or is it a lost cause? I definitely feel like the curl kicked up after I used the Curl Refreshing Spray. All right, that's a little more voluminous. And like I said, I have some cute curls right here. Yes, I've been parting my hair on the other side and I've been getting some very cute curls from it, so I think I'm gonna leave it this way for a little while. If you have any questions about the Pomegranate and Honey line, the Avocado and Tamanu line, the Hawaiian Ginger line, let me know in the comments below. This way I can answer you. We can maybe do another video, maybe challenge 2 of the Mielle collections and see what they look like side by side. This is up to you, my curlies. I would also love for all of my viewers, all of my subscribers, all 379 of you, thank you very much. I am 21 subscribers away from doing a happy dance. I know you want to see it, so let's do this. Get me to 400, my curlies. I'll do my happy dance. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up as you see down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for me today. Spread the word. When I started this channel, it was to inspire women. It was to help women in navigating all of these changes that we're going through. So now, granted, I am way beyond perimenopause, but if any of my curlies are going through it, let me know. For all of you who are curlies and maybe don't really know exactly how to handle your curls, I would appreciate if you could come up with your 3 top concerns or questions about your curls and put them down below for me. The more you comment, the more you like, the more we engage, the more that YouTube will recommend me and my videos for other subscribers, and this way I can keep doing what I love. Well, my curlies, this has been another Frizz-Free Friday. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for hitting that thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. And I want to keep making content for you. So please pass me around like a piece of cake, a delicious chocolate piece of cake. I've been craving chocolate cake lately. So pass me around like a piece of chocolate cake. Well, my curlies, I'll see you next week. Ciao for now. It's Thursday at 2:15. I'm supposed to be posting tomorrow at 5 p.m. Yeah, good luck with that one, Erica. Actually, tilting your head up. Oh, hello, Mr. Fly. Damn fly. Drop my new glasses. Ooh, yay. I love when it looks like straw. If you have any questions about the pomegranate and... Who is that? Oh, she'll have to wait. I think I got sidetracked there. Damn fly. Now I'm wondering... Oh! I decided to